Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve error on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about WhatsApp. If you will find here update in this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.